Hello kids, today in this video we'll learn A, B and C and the things starting with these letters A, B and C. So let's get started. So first I'll take red color to write the letter A. This is A. Okay, this is A. A for apple. A for ant. So let's first color the apple. So A for apple. Next A for ant. So let's color it. Okay. This is ant. A for apple and A for ant. Next I'll take yellow color to write the letter B. So this is letter B. B for ball. B for bird. So let's color the first object or thing, that is ball. Let's color it. So this is ball. B for ball and B for bird. Okay. So this is bird. So B for ball and B for bird. And this one is yellow color. Next I'll take green color to write the letter C. Let's write. This is letter C. C for car. C for caterpillar. So let's first color the car. Okay, this is car. C for car. Next, C for caterpillar. Let's color it. So this is caterpillar. C for car, C for caterpillar. So hence we have completed our alphabets A, B, C and the objects or things starting with these letters A, B and C. So let's repeat once again. A for apple, A for ant. B for ball, B for bird. C for car, C for caterpillar. So that's it for today kids. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.